What is up, guys? Sonduren Canadian Rider here. We're in Nanaimo, BC. We just came back into Vancouver 2 days ago. We took the BC ferry here and we're planning an amazing road trip. We're going to go to one of the surfing capitals of Canada, Tofino. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to visit a lot of different things when we're there. We're going to check out a lot of different food spots as well. We're going to go kayaking. We're going to go surfing. We're going to do all that fun stuff, and we'll let you know exactly what you should be doing when you visit Tofino.
So on the way to Tofino, we heard about a little place called Qualicum Falls to take a look at. It's right on the way, about 40 minutes drive from Nanaimo, and we're gonna go check it out now.
It looks gorgeous. Like, there's so much moss here too on the floor. So there's two sections to it. There's an upper falls and there's a lower falls. We're starting with the upper falls, so we're going there right now. You have like the wood, like that's just fallen, and everything just looks beautiful and the water's rushing.
Beautiful.
Now we're gonna go to the lower falls, we're gonna see that. But you should definitely stop by, and that's the important part. When you're in Nanaimo, make sure as you're going to Tofino, you stop here. It is beautiful.
And if you can, come at golden hour.
Yeah, if you come here at sunset,
Trees.
the trees, like all the light is diffused. It just looks like really magical.
Extra magical, yeah.
It's really nice.
I would really recommend an hour and a half at Little Qualicum Falls. So make sure when you're starting a road trip to Tofino on the Pacific Rim Highway, you give yourself enough time to see the upper falls and lower falls. Once you're done here, you're actually going to go not too much further to a lake called Cameron Lake. And you can just stop off on the side of the highway here like we did. And it is just a beautiful lake to just sit down, 10-15 minutes, look at some people kayaking, look at the mountains. It is really nice. And then you're going to continue on your road trip to Tofino.
Like, I really wish I had my motorcycle here to just rip down these roads. It would be just epic. Like, these are the most epic roads I've ever seen. Trees, mountains, everything. It's just stunning. So make sure you're leaving at 1 and you just suck up this entire drive. It's probably one of the most epic drives that you'll ever experience in your life.
This is our first morning in Tofino. We came to eat at Rhino House Cafe for breakfast, but just look at Tofino. This is the surf capital of Canada. It is absolutely gorgeous. You see the mountains in the background, the beautiful clear water from the Pacific Ocean, and I cannot wait for what we're going to be doing today, surfing at Cox Beach. So all of this stuff is going to be happening, but just take a look at the beauty and the landscape of Tofino. Now, before we went surfing, we actually went ahead and started to understand a little bit more about the history of Tofino. And this is what really is interesting. When I travel, I think about, I want to see the landscape, I want to eat the food, I want to experience the culture, but also the history is just as important. Clayoquot Sound and that area was first inhabited, this entire area, by First Nations thousands of years ago before Spanish and British settlers and explorers came, and they started trading with a bunch of their materials like guns and alcohol for furs and other things. So Tofino was really primarily fishing and logging industry. Over time, especially into the 1900s, it's become a popular tourist destination. 1 million people visit Tofino every year, and it's also part of the Clayoquot Sound Bioreserve, and this is including the Pacific Rim National Reserve, which we'll be talking about later. So a lot of great history. There's a lot of opportunity for you to learn about Tofino and the history while you're on your trip here, because it just makes the entire experience so much more enjoyable.
How was Rhino House?
It was delicious. I usually hate donuts, and the donut here was probably the best donut I ever had. It was like a almond pistachio donut with cream on the inside. It was
Freshly made every day.
Yeah, and the tuna was obviously amazing, and your breakfast wrap was really good.
Make sure you come before 9, because that's when the morning.
Yeah, it gets super packed, and then you end up like people just sit there on the outside. There's no indoor seating, so everyone's sitting outside and eating. It's pretty nice. We stayed at a place called Hotel Z, which it just opened a week ago. So we're in September 2020 right now, and it's beautiful. It was a lot cheaper than the other options, and we gave it a chance. It was new, and it's like wonderful. All right, guys, we're at Cox Bay Beach, and we're at the Tofino Surf School. We're learning how to surf. This is my first time. It is so beautiful here. The water's freezing, but we have our wetsuits, so it's only my ankles that are cold. So we just finished our lessons and classes.
Just to be clear, this is my first time surfing, and I'm a pretty avid snowboarder, but I still wanted to get lessons, so we went to Tofino Surf School. Raph and Zach were amazing instructors. They made the day so fun, and it came with all the gear, the wetsuit, the actual surfboard. Honestly, I would recommend doing it. I know if it's your first time, even if you've been a snowboarder before, I'm telling you, snowboarding is not as hard as surfing, well, to me. So really enjoyable to have them as our instructors.
So we're gonna be going in. I'm really excited to think that Canada, and for me, I'm in Ontario, has this type of beauty and a place to go surfing is really cool.
Let's go!
That was surfing in Tofino. Tofino Surf School. Really good, really fun. I'm so tired, it's exhausting. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh, but it was so fun. Oh.
How many waves did you catch?
Oh. A couple good ones. You're better than me at it, for sure. It's because you're flexible and nimble.
What an experience surfing in Tofino. 100% recommend you guys do it. Tofino Surf School for you guys that want to have somebody there to train you and give you all the gear and equipment. Otherwise, you can rent the surfboards yourself. But 100% you must do this when you're in Tofino. So we're packing up our bags. We're actually gonna head over to grab something to eat at a renowned place, Tacofino. It is some of the best tacos we've ever had, and it was well worth the lineup. There was a lot of people there. We waited in line for about 30-40 minutes, but it's just a little truck there kind of parked on the side of the road in the corner of a lot, and wow, some great tacos, some great drinks. We had fun with that. Now we still had a lot of time left in our day, so right away we went to Chesterman Beach. It's one of the main beaches in Tofino. Really gorgeous. You're gonna see a lot of the beach is sprawling. It's basically covered in two sections, but it's one of the main beaches there. A lot of white sand. Again, beautiful water. There's a restaurant, the Point Restaurant, which is just over on the side of the beach, and we're actually going to that tomorrow, and that'll be in the next video. So make sure you subscribe and like this video to see the next video of the next day. But a great beach for you guys. Go and watch the sunset, relax, play some games. A lot of people are walking their dogs. Now that didn't stop us at Chesterman Beach. We went over to another beautiful beach, actually in the Pacific Rim Bioreserve, Long Beach in Tofino. It is a huge, sprawling beach again, massive. It is wonderful. It is gorgeous. We actually had an airplane fly over, but check out these sunsets. What gorgeous sunsets. Probably one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen in my life here. And we just sat down and just watched the entire sunset on the beach. It was honestly breathtaking. It is a must-do when you're in Tofino. Come down to either Chesterman Beach or Long Beach and make sure you watch the sunsets, guys. So pretty, breathtaking, once in a lifetime opportunity. So that is our first day in our road trip and surfing in Tofino. Honestly, it was really exciting. This place is absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend if you're coming down to the West Coast, Vancouver area, make sure you come by and do this road trip. Tofino is a gorgeous place and it has so much to discover. We only barely scratched the surface of what Tofino has. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, more videos to come. We're going to be going kayaking in Mears Island, and there's gonna be a lot for you to learn. It's really gonna be cool. We're gonna see an old growth forest in Mears Island, learn a little bit about the history of the area of Tofino and the First Nations that came by. It's so exciting, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to share that video with you guys again. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope it got you excited to travel and learn more about beautiful Canada, especially the west coast of British Columbia and Tofino. I'll catch you guys in the next one.